Yardstyle live.
Around the world.
But let me say this to you, like the gentleman from Gambia, when he came to Jamaica, he said, I don't know if you remember this when he said, I think he was either president or prince or somebody from Gambia. And he said, what Jamaica doesn't understand is that the world is looking up to Jamaica.
Okay.
The youths in Africa, they are looking to Jamaica
For inspiration.
for inspiration. And that's why a person like Vybz Cartel has basically changed the trajectory over the years of the youth's minds all over the world, not just Jamaica, not just Africa.
Worldwide.
And what I would have loved, when I see Cartel, I don't know him say God are the greatest. Youth, Cartel, you do the right thing. You say God are the greatest. Cartel have the same thing when Ninja Man have. It's called charisma. And anybody born with that, God give people them gift for a reason, for them to be leaders. So Cartel, if you listen to me, remember I tell you, God give you talent to be a leader.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.